The historic journey of Ingenuity, the first aircraft on another planet, has come to end. After nearly 3 years, NASA's Ingenuity helicopter, the first spacecraft to undertake a powered flight on another world, has ended its mission. Officials at the agency confirmed on January 25 that the history-making quadcopter has sustained damage to one of its rotor blades and is no longer capable of flying. Ingenuity's final flight ended dramatically on January 18, when it suddenly lost communication with Perseverance and with NASA ground controllers during a planned descent from about 40 feet over Mars. The helicopter was only 3 feet off the ground when it abruptly lost contact, forcing an emergency landing. Though NASA restored communications with the helicopter the next day, subsequent images revealed that at least one of Ingenuity's rotor blades was damaged beyond repair. Ingenuity landed in Mars' Jezero crater alongside NASA's Perseverance rover in February 2021. Initially designed as a technology demonstration not meant to fly more than 5 times, the little helicopter swiftly shattered expectations. Ingenuity hitched a ride on NASA's Perseverance rover, landing on Mars in 2021. It ended up serving as a scout for the rover and proved powered flight was possible in the thin Martian atmosphere. Ingenuity not only proved that flight is possible in Mars' ultra-thin atmosphere, Mars' atmospheric volume is about 1% that of Earth's, but also flew much higher and farther than engineers anticipated. There was a moment of sadness when the team first received images that confirmed damage to the helicopter, said Teddy Tsanitos, Ingenuity's project manager. But that was very quickly replaced with happiness and pride and a feeling of celebration for what we've pulled off. Though Ingenuity's flying days are over, however, the helicopter's legacy is assured. It has carved out a well-earned place in humanity's exploration record books, and its success on Mars will likely lead to further aerial exploration of the Red Planet.